Buhay ng isang OFW. Naghahanap ka ba ng trabaho? Why not travel around the world and work overseas? Pwede kang pumunta sa Canada, sa Australia, sa Japan, sa Hong Kong, sa Middle East o kaya naman sa Amerika. Ano ba ang isang OFW? Ito ay mga Pilipino na nakatira at nagtatrabaho sa labas ng bansa. Pwede kang maging isang teacher, engineer, nurse, doktor, domestic helper, waiter at iba pa. Why choose to work abroad? We have 3 common reasons why Filipinos choose to work abroad. First, because of the higher salary and income, and stable economic condition in the Philippines and high unemployment rate. Ngayon, marami ng mga Pilipino ang umaalis sa bansa sa paghahangad na mabigyan ng magandang kinabukasan ang kanilang pamilya. Mas pipiliin pa nilang mawalay sa kanilang mahal sa buhay dahil umano'y mas malaki ang sahod na nakukuha nila sa labas ng bansa kumpara dito sa Pilipinas. Kung mataas ang sahod, may malaking posibilidad na malaki ang mapapadala ng mga Pinoy dito sa bansa. Ang mga sahod ng mga manggagawang bagong graduate lamang sa kolehiyo ay mas mababa kumpara sa sahod na nasa abroad. Kahit sa mga nurses, engineers, and teachers are paid poorly when working here in the Philippines. Ang economic condition and political situation sa Pilipinas ay isa sa mga rason kung bakit sila nag-a-abroad. Let's face it, our country is governed mostly by dishonest, corrupt, and unserious officials seated in the government. Taon-taon, maraming graduates sa kolehiyo ang sumasali sa Philippine workforce, kung kaya't mas nagiging kompetisyon ang pagkuha ng trabaho. Ang iba, kahit meron silang natapos at may diploma, they have no choice but to work in factories or manufacturing firms. Overseas Filipino workers continue to be an important source of money remittances to the Philippines. In a span of 4 decades, the number of deployed OFWs has gone from 36,035 in 1975 to 2.2 million in 2011. 80.4% of OFWs tend to stay within the Asian continent, with the Middle East as top destination, followed by Singapore and Hong Kong. Europe is the second biggest destination at 8.6%, with North and South America coming at 7.6%. Male OFWs outnumber the female at 52%. Female OFWs tend to be younger, with almost half the ages 25 to 34. The largest group of male OFWs are over 45. Almost a third of OFWs are employed as laborers and unskilled workers, with 55.6% of females employed under this category. According to the POEA, there are 142,689 household services workers were deployed in 2011, compared only to 17,236 nurses. The top 10 categories of job abroad. Top 10.
Created using Powtoon.